Hello and salam friends. How we will extract smoke from a black background image. And we will add that smoke. To this image, a person is smoking but there is no smoke. Remember, smoking is injurious to health. First we will extract smoke. How we will do it? Let's get started. First we will select whole image. Press Ctrl+A to select image. Then we will copy it. Press Ctrl+C to copy image. Let me make layer thumbnails in medium size. Click on this icon and choose panel options. Choose medium icon and click OK. Now we can see layer icons clearly. We will create mask on this smoke image layer. Press Alt and click on mask to invert it. Press Ctrl+V to paste it on mask. Create a blank layer. Press Alt and clip it. There is another way to clip this layer. Click on this icon and choose Create Clipping Mask. It will create clipping mask. Here is smoke, we can see it. Choose Paint Bucket tool. Make sure foreground color is white. And fill smoke with white color. Select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. Press Ctrl+D to deselect and here is extracted smoke. We can't see it clearly, but we can see it clearly on second image. Drag and drop on other image. Here is smoke but there is edge. We will deal with it. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Press Shift and make smoke image smaller. Rotate it according to human image. Make it smaller more, so it adjusts according to image. Press Enter. There is edge on smoke image. We will get rid from this edge. Make a mask on smoke image layer. Make sure foreground color is black. Pick soft round brush. Mode normal, opacity 100%. And start removing the edge. We will remove edge from smoke image in this way. I know what you are thinking. We can do it by another way which is easier. But we cannot colorize the smoke in that way. Let me remove edges and I will show you that other way. And the difference between both ways. Here almost we removed edges. Human image has brown color grading. We will create a blank layer and create a clipping mask on it. We will select light brown color from image by color picker. Pick brush and start painting on smoke. Color of smoke match with background and with human image. This is before, which is white, and after, which match with image. I know what is in your mind. That is easier way. If we will drag and drop whole image of smoke on the human image and change blend mode from normal to screen. Press Ctrl+T to transform and make smoke image smaller. Rotate it accordingly. Create mask on this layer and remove edges from smoke image. But if we want to colorize it, create blank layer and clip it, and start painting on it with light brown color. We can't colorize it because it is whole image, not the extracted smoke. Press Shift and click on mask to disable it. You can see there is whole image. If we colorize it, it will colorize whole image. Even blend mode is screen. So, we can't colorize it until we extract smoke. This is way we extracted smoke. And colorize it with a clipped blank layer. And colorize it according to background image color's tone. So, this is final image. By this way we can extract smoke. We can extract clouds and use them according to our images. We can manipulate images in this way. If you like video, then like and subscribe. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.